time for another video. Today, as you can probably tell by all the pink overload, pink nails, pink background, pink dolly, it's Pinky Pink Wednesday, yay! Now, I'm pretty sure that beautiful Daisy Jean here didn't make it into one of my haul videos. I don't know why. I've been doing a lot of organizing and stuff, but enough of that. Let's get into her. She's one of the new Barbie Dream Besties. Look at her in box. Look at the box art. I love the box art. All her cute little things. I love that it is raised here on the box where it says Barbie Dream Besties. Here she is in her box jail, which she will be released from shortly. Here is the back of the box with all the Barbie Dream Besties and the 2 new additions to that. Here it says all her stuff if you want to pause and read about Daisy Jean. Here is her barcode in case you want to score her for yourself. Here's what she looks like from the side in the box, and that's pretty much all there is to this box. So y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take beautiful Daisy Jean out of her box jail. We're gonna use one of our pairs of trusty scissors here to do it, and I'm gonna spare y'all all that gook of cutting her out and fighting with the box and everything. So the next time you see her, she'll be all debox-jailed. Yay, yay, yay! All right, here she is, beautiful Pinky Pink Daisy Jean, all out of her box jail, yay! First thing I have to say is for a deboxing experience, it wasn't too bad. Mostly just trying to get like all the little tabbies out and then get all the little accessories out was kind of, it took a while, but nothing that I don't expect. I've deboxed the Barbie Dream Besties before and I know that they have that stuff. So for me, it was what I expected, not too bad. And before we get too far along, the stand that she is using is one that I bought for myself from Temu, not sponsored, but I buy Pinky Pink stands for my dollies because I want them to have them when they don't already have them. So, as I usually do, let's get on into her accessories first. She has this adorable little daisy purse that does have an opening where you can put stuff in it. It has the little yellow center there. No detailing on the back, but you could do that yourself, not a big deal. Pretty cute little purse. I really like it. Next, she comes with this little cotton candy in the 3 tones, the pink, the purple, and the blue. Not my favorite accessory because, they've used this before. It's not new, but it is cute and it is fresh in the sense that it does have more than one color. She also comes with this adorable little phone case that says Daisy there, and it has all these cute little pastel colors and the flowers and then the little beads. And then on this part, it has 3 little flowers and then the little hole, supposedly for like the little camera to show through. And then it has the little holder there where she can put it on her finger. And then there is where you're supposed to put the phone. I really love this phone case accessory. It's super cute. Here is her little phone. It's pretty plain. It's cute enough though. It's in this pastel-y blue color, which I do like. And then on the front here, it says Daisy's Music. I don't know if you can read that or not by my thumb down there at the bottom because of the glare, but it's pretty cute. And let's see, I've had trouble in the past with these not working, not fitting in the little phone cases. So let's see. Nope, this one works. Yay! So happy for that. So cute. Next, she comes with this cute little iPad with all her music stuff on it because I think she's like a DJ girl or whatever. So super cute. Now, this screen printing on here is very nice. Not like the one on the phone that you can barely see. This one is nice and bright. Here's what the back looks like, just plain. It does say Barbie here. I don't know if you can read that or not. You could put your own stickers and stuff on it to decorate it. I think that would be adorable. But there is her little iPad. And last accessory is this little set of white headphones. These are pretty detailed. I like all the detailing on them. It would have been nice if they would have added some coloring to all this detail. I love the little daisy flower there, and then how you can see like the molding in the like part that would touch her ear. That's pretty cool. And then on the top, it even has this here on the side where you can see that it's supposed to be like 2 different pieces where you can adjust it. But I might do some detail painting on this myself. Not sure, but it is a cute accessory and it is something new that I don't think we've seen before, which I appreciate that. So for all the accessories, I do enjoy them. I think my favorite is the phone case and the little cute daisy purse. Those 2 are my favorites out of all the accessories. Now, as I usually do, I'm going to show you her hair straight out of the box. Think that it's pretty good. It's not too bad. It's super duper soft and it's the perfect pink. It's my favorite pink shade. It has some curl here at the bottom, little ringlets, and then these little braids on the side here and these little top knot cute things. So what I'm going to do is brush it and then come back to you. All right, y'all, we're back and her hair has all been brushed out, and I tried to retain her little curls at the bottom. She does have a little bit of box hair there that you can see the little split there, but that's to be expected. Nothing I can't fix, nothing I can't handle. So for the most part, I do have to say this hair is very, very nice quality. Super glad about that. I was worried that it was going to be that cheapy straw feeling stuff, and it's not. It's the good fantasy color hair. I love the little knots here. They're so cute. I love the little bouncy curl. Probably what I'll do is give her hair like a little light wash and then put some more curls in it, because I like that it's curly, but it's kind of got that stringy texture. So I think what I'll do for my purposes as a dolly collector, loving all the pink, I want to put some curls in it. So that's what I'm going to do for me. Here in the front, 2 little tiny braids, one on each side, which is pretty cute. I like that. And then since we're up here talking about her hair, we're just going to go ahead on and look at her cute little sunglasses. These are adorable. I'm not so much for sunglasses. If you don't know that about me and you're new, hi, nice to meet you. But I do love pink, pinky pink. I love bunnies, anything cute, and I especially love dolls. So if you didn't know, now you know. But these are really cute. I'm sad that mine has kind of a little defect there, but what can you do? It's like in the paint. There's a little scratch there and a little scratch there, but otherwise they're super cute. I like that you can see through them. That way, if you put them on, it doesn't cover up their eyes. That's one of the things that bothers me about some sunglasses, is that you can't see the eyes. And the eyes are one of the prettiest things to me on the dolls. So there are her cute little powdery blue sunglasses with the white detail, kind of like retro-y 60s kind of shape, but super cute. Since we did accessories on her head and all the other ones, let's talk about this little necklace. It's so cute. It says Daisy on it, and it has a little heart there, and then it has little pearl beads that are done in pink and blue. Love it. It's super, super cute. It just goes around her neck. It has a little hole there where you can slip it on, slip it off. Pretty easy. Super duper cute. Love the pink and blue. Since we did all the other accessories, it's shoe time. Gotta talk about the shoes. Well, boots anyway. These are so cute. I love these little boots. These have so much cute little details. Just look at all the detail, y'all. I love that. The only thing, like I always say, that I don't love is that they didn't paint any of these cute details or give it something where you can see them better. They are a cute shape. I think these might be a new sculpt. I don't know if I've seen these before. If you have, you can let me know in the comments, but I think they might be new. Here's what the bottom looks like. It has a little Barbie bee. Love that. Also has a little detail here in the front on the boot. And then here is what the heels look like. And they have the slit open there in the back, so you can get them on, easy off. I think these boots are super cute, and I would give them about a 9.5. Now let's look at this beautiful girl's face. I love it. Love these faces on these Barbie Dream Bestie dolls. They remind me of Ever After High, the shape, how the eyes are done and everything. Super, super cute. She has some cute little daisies right by the corners of each of her eyes. She has dusty, like denim blue eyes with a turquoisey and pink in her eyeshadow area here. Super cute. She has the ombre light to dark eyebrows here and like a kind of brownish tone. She has light pink blushing and then these bubblegum pink lips, which I love. Kind of matches my nails. Her face is super duper cute. Now, she doesn't have space for earrings. You could always pierce these for yourself if you like earrings like I do. I might give her some earrings. I might not. I'm not sure yet. Overall, this girlie's face is super pretty to me and I love it. I would give it I'd say like a 9, solid 9. Really, really cute. Now let's talk about her cute little outfit. I do actually like this. I wasn't sure if I was gonna when I saw the preview pictures because I thought they might make it out of real cheapy fabric. It reminds me of a granny square crocheted Afghan or whatever you want to say. I've seen these before like in thrift stores and whatnot, and they're super cute. This one has a blue background with pink and yellow accents, and then it has these faux little like knot bows at each shoulder here, and then the straps, they are all hemmed, which is nice. Now it's not hemmed at the bottom, but it does have this cute scallop edging, and it is heat sealed. It's sewed nicely at the sides, and then here's what it looks like from the back. It has the soft Velcro that we love. Nice closure there. For the dress, I'm pleasantly surprised that I do actually like it. Now for the shirt, I love these little bubble fluffy arms here that it has. I love the little detailing here up at the top where it's gathered. So cute. Now this is turned out You just have to mush it under and it'll be fine. But I like that they gave this also at the hem of the sleeve here, the little elastic, so that it can, be pushed up and flounced out more if you like. Super, super cute. Love that detail. See how this one is like long and it's not puffed out, but if you push it up, you can give it that cute detail. I love that. That is super, super cute. Now the shirt is kind of short. You can see it peeking out there, but it is hemmed there, and I don't see any hem stitching at the top here. Let's see. Yeah, it actually does have it. I just couldn't see it for the necklace. Does have the soft Velcro there at the back that we love. I prefer the sleeves to have the foofy detail, so I pushed them up and fluffed them out for my girl. And the texture of the shirt is made out of pretty nice soft cotton. So there is her cute little outfit. I really like it. I wasn't thinking that I was gonna, but I actually do. So I'd give the outfit about a 9. For articulation, she has the up, down, side, side, all around head and neck joint. But I do have to mention, this is just my experience with my doll, but her neck is a little floppy. See? So I'm gonna have to put a rubber band up in there to make it, less floppy. But that happens, and I just wanted to mention it. She also has the up, down, in, out, side, side, all around 360 joint there at the shoulder. She has a single jointed elbow there and the wristy joint. No upper body, but she does have the joint here where she can sit. Not very well though. See, it doesn't want to go. I don't know if it's up here in the leg joint area where it just doesn't want to sit very well, but again, my experience with my doll, she has the in out there and the back fourth at the hip, and she has a single jointed knee. And that is this girlie's articulation. So here, beautiful Daisy Jean Barbie Dream Bestie Girl is head to toe, side, front to back, all the way around, 360. Beautiful, beautiful, pinky pink Daisy Jean. Love her. I did want to mention that I also believe she has a new body sculpt. Her body looks different to me than some of the other bodies that they have, which I love. I love that they're adding new body sculpts and new faces and all the new stuff for the new dollies they're coming out with. So there she is, beautiful pinky pink Barbie Dream Bestie Daisy Jean. For me as a dolly collector, I love her because I love pinky pink. I think we discussed everything that, that I wasn't in love with, little problems that she has. But overall for me as a dolly collector, I'd give her about a 9.5, because there are some things that I'm not crazy about, but overall I do love her, and I will definitely be picking up a second one of her once she goes on sale. I really hope y'all enjoyed this Pinky Pink Wednesday, and if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say super huge hugs and dolly love to all you wonderful watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all truly are the best. At least I think so anyway. And I also have to say thank you so very much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big huge Pinky Pink Wednesday subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. I can never say enough just how much it means to me that y'all have come along and that we've grown the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have here to such a great big size now. I cannot tell you how much that blows my mind. I thank each and every one of you for all the likes, the comments, the sharing, every little thing you do. Greatly appreciated by me, Christy here. And just know that I think y'all are magical and awesome. And I absolutely have to say thank you for absolutely everything, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which grows so big by the day because y'all coming along, hitting that button, boop, boop, saying you like my dolly silliness and craziness and all the general dolly goodness that I get up to. I hope I have created a fun and safe, happy dolly space where we all can come together and share in all the dolly goodness, joy, and all the dolly fun that you can handle. I do shorts, I do vlogs, I do thrift hauls, I do DIYs, one-of-a-kinds, Pinky Pink Wednesdays, and anything you can think of in the dolly world. We're gonna try it right here and hopefully have fun while we do it together. So if you want to become part of all this dolly loveliness, dolly goodness, come along and join us because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always Welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it! Another Pinky Pink Wednesday in the books with this beautiful pink Daisy Jean Barbie Dream Bestie. Y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy, happy dolling, happy dolly day, happy Pinky Pink Wednesday, and bye, y'all!